In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform to your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make your Shopify store even more dynamic with Jotform's flexibility. First things first, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. If you already have an account, feel free to log in using your existing credentials, whether that's through your Google or Microsoft account, or simply with your email and password. If not, creating an account is a breeze and will get you started on your journey to seamlessly integrate forms into your Shopify store. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific form you want to incorporate. This could be any form you've already created, or one you plan to build for your store. Think contact forms, customer surveys, or product questionnaires. Jotform offers a wide range of templates for you to choose from, allowing you to tailor each form to meet the specific needs of your business. Next, open your form in the form builder. Here, you'll notice a tab at the top labeled Publish. Click on this to move forward. A range of options will unfold, helping you launch and distribute your form efficiently. On the left-hand side of your screen, look for the Platforms option. This is where you connect Jotform with different platforms, including Shopify. In the platform section, type Shopify into the search bar and select it from the search results. Jotform will then provide you with a unique code. This embed code is the secret link between your Jotform and Shopify store, so copy it to your clipboard because you're going to need it in the next steps. Now turn your attention to your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, and then click on Pages. This is where you manage the different pages that make up your store, whether you're creating a new page or modifying an existing one to host your form. When you're ready to add or edit a page, look for the option to switch your view to HTML. This might sound a bit technical, but it's simply about accessing the backend of your website where you can enter custom code. With your clipboard at the ready, paste the Jotform embed code you copied earlier directly into the HTML view. Once pasted, save your changes to ensure everything is correctly applied. Voila! Your form from Jotform is now embedded within your Shopify page. Doing this enhances customer interaction and the overall functionality of your store. To wrap up, you've just learned how to add Jotform to Shopify in a few simple steps. This integration not only streamlines your operations, but also enriches the customer experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching and happy selling.